Another page we want to create is a frequently asked questions page. So let's go back to the dashboard, pages, add new, and we'll type in here frequently asked questions, and let's paste some of those and publish that. Now right here we can click view page, and here are some frequently asked questions, and you can see it appears here in the navigation bar on the left. One thing we do want to do maybe is to bold the actual question so that it's easy to see what is the question and what is the answer. So we'll go back to edit page, and I'll highlight the question part, hit bold, highlight the question part, Command B on Mac or Control B, just like with Microsoft Word, will also make it bold. So I'll get those bold, hit update to save the changes, go back to view page, and now it's a little bit easier to decipher what is the question and what is the answer.